Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll talk about a mental health disorder called schizophrenia. It is a condition where you see, you hear, you feel things that are not real. First, we'll talk about the myths, and then we'll talk about the facts about schizophrenia that people don't know. People think that schizophrenia is very, very rare. Also, they think it's from mostly people from poor backgrounds suffer from schizophrenia. People consider it as a minor illness, and they think probably only old people suffer from it. One of the major myths that people think is that schizophrenia is uncurable. It's not. Fact is, about 25% of people who suffered from an episode of schizophrenia, they recover and they are completely fine afterwards. They live a normal life. And the episodes, they are actually due to, a lot of times it's due to the environment, the current state, the current situation. Not in the past, not considering bad parenthood or bad childhood will make the person schizophrenic. It is one of the major illnesses, and a person who's suffering from it after diagnosis, their lifespan usually is within 10 years. Researchers have shown from 5 to 10% of schizophrenic patients, they die within that time frame. So always consider it as a major illness, not a minor. Even its onset is more in teens and in early 20s, and earlier for men as compared to women. So we can say more younger people suffer from this disorder than older people. Almost 1 in 100 people, they suffer from schizophrenia once at least in their lifetime.